Our solar system is a bustling place, filled with celestial objects of all shapes and sizes. Some are small and rocky while others are massive and gaseous. But among them all, one planet stands out as a true giant, Jupiter. With a diameter of roughly 87,000 miles, Jupiter is so large that you could fit over 1,300 Earths inside it. But Jupiter's size isn't its only impressive feature. This gas giant also boasts an incredibly strong gravitational pull, roughly 318 times stronger than that of Earth. This immense gravity makes Jupiter a powerful force to be reckoned with, and it plays a crucial role in shaping the dynamics of our solar system. One of Jupiter's most important roles is that of a cosmic protector. Our solar system is a bit like a cosmic shooting gallery, with asteroids and comets whizzing around all the time. These objects pose a constant threat to Earth, as even a relatively small impact could have devastating consequences. That's where Jupiter comes in. Like a giant cosmic vacuum cleaner, Jupiter's gravity sucks in and deflects many of these potentially dangerous objects, preventing them from reaching Earth. In this way, Jupiter acts as a shield protecting our planet from cosmic harm. Imagine a game of cosmic billiards, where asteroids and comets are the balls, and Jupiter is the cue ball. Just as a skilled billiards player can use the cue ball to knock other balls into pockets, Jupiter's gravity can nudge asteroids and comets into new trajectories. Sometimes, this means flinging them out of the solar system entirely, like a home run in our cosmic ballpark. Other times it means sending them into the sun, where they meet a fiery demise. Either way, Jupiter's gravity helps to clear out the solar system, reducing the number of potential threats to Earth. But Jupiter's influence isn't limited to deflecting objects. Sometimes its gravity can actually capture objects, pulling them into orbit around itself. This is how Jupiter has come to have so many moons, over 79 at last count. These moons, some of which are larger than our own moon, are further evidence of Jupiter's powerful gravitational pull. Between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter lies a region of space known as the asteroid belt. This vast expanse is home to millions of asteroids, ranging in size from small pebbles to dwarf planets hundreds of miles across. The asteroid belt is a bit like a cosmic shooting gallery, with asteroids constantly colliding and jostling for position. Without Jupiter's influence, this region could be a much more chaotic and dangerous place. Asteroids could be easily knocked out of their orbits, sending them hurtling towards the inner solar system and potentially on a collision course with Earth. However, Jupiter's gravity helps to keep the asteroid belt in check. It acts like a shepherd, keeping the asteroids confined to their orbits and preventing them from straying too far from home. This stabilizing influence is crucial for the safety of the inner solar system, as it greatly reduces the risk of asteroid impacts on Earth. Section 4. Shoemaker-Levy 9. A spectacular demonstration of planetary defense. In 1994, astronomers witnessed a dramatic event that showcased Jupiter's protective role in action. Comet Shoemaker-Levy 9, torn apart by Jupiter's gravity, collided with the gas giant in a spectacular display of cosmic fireworks. The impact left massive dark scars on Jupiter's atmosphere, some of which were larger than the Earth itself. This event was a stark reminder of the destructive power of comets and asteroids, and it provided compelling evidence of Jupiter's ability to shield Earth from such impacts. Imagine if those comet fragments had struck Earth instead. The consequences would have been catastrophic, potentially leading to widespread extinction. Shoemaker-Levy 9 served as a wake-up call, reminding us of the importance of planetary defense and the crucial role Jupiter plays in safeguarding our planet. Section 5. A two-sided shield. Jupiter's influence on comets and asteroids. While Jupiter is often portrayed as Earth's protector, its relationship with comets and asteroids is complex and not always entirely beneficial. While Jupiter's gravity can deflect and capture these objects, it can also sometimes perturb their orbits in ways that send them hurtling towards the inner solar system. It's like a cosmic game of pinball, where Jupiter's gravity can act as both a bumper and a flipper, sometimes sending the ball, in this case a comet or asteroid, in an unpredictable direction. This means that Jupiter is something of a double-edged sword when it comes to planetary defense. While it undoubtedly protects Earth from many potential impacts, it may also be responsible for steering some objects in our direction. This duality highlights the complexities of celestial mechanics, and the ongoing need to study and understand the movements of objects in our solar system. Section 6. Life on Earth. A debt of gratitude to the giant. The stability of our solar system and the very existence of life on Earth are intricately linked to Jupiter's presence. By clearing out the solar system, shaping the asteroid belt, and acting as a shield against cosmic impacts, Jupiter has created a more stable and hospitable environment for life to thrive. Without Jupiter's protective influence, Earth would be a much more dangerous place, bombarded by asteroids and comets far more frequently. It's likely that life, at least as we know it, would not have been able to evolve under such chaotic conditions. So, the next time you gaze up at the night sky and spot Jupiter shining brightly, take a moment to appreciate this gas giant's crucial role in our planet's history and the continued well-being of life on Earth. Jupiter, the guardian giant, silently watches over us, shaping our cosmic neighborhood and ensuring that our pale blue dot remains a safe haven for life to flourish. Section 7. Conclusion. Unraveling the mysteries of our cosmic protector. Jupiter, with its immense size, powerful gravity, and complex influence on the solar system, continues to fascinate and intrigue astronomers. Ongoing research aims to unravel the mysteries of this gas giant, from its swirling storms and turbulent atmosphere, to its role in shaping the evolution of our solar system. As we delve deeper into understanding Jupiter, we gain a greater appreciation for the delicate balance of forces that govern our cosmic neighborhood. So, keep looking up at the stars, asking questions, and exploring the wonders of the universe. Jupiter, the guardian giant, is just one piece of the cosmic puzzle, and there's still so much more to discover.